Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. That exact incident of a Tesla running over two girls in the same location almost happened to me this week when I was driving on Monday morning. Let's watch and analyse. Wow! Didn't just run in front of me. You can see that I was not driving fast, about 30 kilometers per hour, but dangerous situations can arise at any time, so it's important to stay alert. Luckily, I stopped in time, otherwise these two girls would have been injured, although not as seriously injured as the two schoolgirls last year who were hit by a faster moving Tesla. Wow! Didn't just run in front of me. For comparison, here's the clip from last year. So, who's at fault here? What are the factors that made things worse? And what are the factors that helped? First of all, the two silly girls should not have been jaywalking. Wow! They just run in front of me. These jaywalkers are obviously unaware that just over a year ago, two schoolgirls were struck by a Tesla just like mine in the same location. Second, the two drivers from the oncoming side were also at fault. They were irresponsible because they were speeding, especially the Tesla who never slowed down. Just look at the speed of the two oncoming cars. Wow. They also panicked the two girls by sounding their horns to make them get out of their way. But this made things worse because the girls reacted by running out of the way of the oncoming traffic, and their momentum carried them forward into my path. So I definitely blame the typical Hong Kong drivers like the Tesla and Alpha drivers who couldn't care less about other road users and pedestrians. I really dislike many such drivers that I witness every day possessing this arrogant attitude. Why did the girls not get injured? Well, these two girls were very lucky during and after their encounter with me, Toothless Tesla. So here are the factors that helped them. 1. My speed was 30 kilometers per hour and my emergency braking brought my speed from 30 to a standstill within 2 seconds. 2. After the encounter, you can see the girls simply carried on walking across me and across the road without looking. Again, that's crazy because if there had been a car to my left moving, then they would have been hit. It just so happened that there were no cars behind me and there were no cars to my left moving along this road. If there had been cars, it would certainly have been worse. Let's take a look one more time and see if you can identify and agree with all the factors that I have mentioned. Perhaps I've missed something. Anyway, happy to read your comments, so please feel free to give your opinion. Wow! Didn't just run in front of me. As always, thanks for watching and stay safe.